It's 2025 and making a living online is more real than ever. The traditional 9 to 5 isn't dead, but online alternatives are booming. We're past, is this possible? Now it's all about, how do I start? The tools are better, the barriers are lower, but the landscape keeps shifting. This video cuts through the noise to spotlight 5 online business models primed for success in 2025. We'll break down what they are, why they matter, and how you can get started. Whether you're creative, techie, or just looking for a side hustle, there's something here for you. Let's dive into the top 5 online business ideas for 2025. First up, AI-powered content services. AI isn't replacing writers, it's changing the game for content creators. The opportunity? Become an AI content co-pilot. Tools like ChatGPT and Gemini are your research assistants and first draft machines. Businesses need tons of content, blogs, social posts, newsletters, but AI alone isn't enough. The real value is in editing, fact-checking, and adding a human touch. Your service high-quality, brand-consistent content delivered fast and affordably. Pitch to small businesses and creators. I'll run your content operation using the best AI tools, saving you time and money. The workflow AI drafts, you refine, add stories, optimize for SEO, and ensure it sounds human. All you need is a premium AI subscription, sharp editing skills, and a grasp of what makes content engaging. You're not selling AI, you're selling results-polished, ready-to-publish content. Start with one client, perfect your process, then scale up or build a small team. Every business needs content, but few have the time or expertise. You bridge the gap between AI's speed and human creativity. No fancy degree required, just writing chops and a willingness to learn new tools. Build a portfolio with your own blog or by helping friends, then reach out to clients on LinkedIn or Upwork. Position yourself as a high-tech, efficient content partner, not a cheap writer. Offer speed, consistency, and quality. This isn't the future, it's happening now and demand is exploding. Don't fear AI, use it to amplify your skills and offer something unique. The AI Content Copilot is a massive opportunity for 2025. Are you ready to take the controls? The market is wide open for those who can blend tech and creativity. Businesses want results, not just words. Step up as the AI-powered content strategist they need. Next, let's talk micro SaaS, tiny focused software tools solving specific problems. SaaS means software as a service. Think Netflix, but on a micro scale. Micro SaaS is about building a simple tool for a niche audience, a browser extension for Etsy sellers, a workout planner for parents, a podcast transcript generator. The magic? No-code and low-code platforms like Bubble and Softyr let you build apps without deep programming skills. Focus on the idea. What's a small, annoying problem you can solve? If it's your problem, it's probably someone else's too. The business model: recurring revenue from subscriptions. Even $10/month adds up fast with a few hundred users. You're a product manager. Identify the problem, design a solution, and find your audience. Validate your idea with a landing page and wait list before building. Launch a minimum viable product, get feedback, and improve. Marketing is targeted. Go where your users hang out online. This isn't passive income at first. It takes work to build, market, and support. But over time, a successful micro SaaS can run with minimal hands-on effort. The software works 24/7. You focus on growth and maintenance. You don't need to be a coding genius, just a problem solver willing to learn. Micro SaaS is one of the most scalable, powerful online business models today. Start small, iterate, and let your tool do the heavy lifting. The barrier to entry has never been lower. If you see a gap, fill it with a simple, useful app. Build for a niche, and you can own that space. Recurring revenue means stability and growth. Micro SaaS is the future for solo founders and small teams. Are you ready to build the next must-have tool? The opportunity is waiting. Go solve a problem and get paid for it. Third, let's talk digital products. Create once, sell forever. Think ebooks, Notion templates, digital planners, photo presets, or video editing templates. The beauty? No inventory, no shipping, no hassle. You front-load the work, build a high-quality product, then automate sales. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and StanStore make it easy to reach buyers. Etsy is a massive marketplace for digital goods. Gumroad and StanStore are perfect for selling directly to your audience. Find the sweet spot between your skills and what people will pay for. Are you organized? Sell Notion templates, a photographer, offer editing presets, an expert, write a practical ebook. Quality is everything. Your product must solve a real problem or save time. Good products get good reviews and word of mouth. Market with free content, blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media tips related to your product. Give value for free, build trust, and mention your paid product as the next step. The margins are huge. Sell a $15 template 100 times. That's $1,500 from one product. A digital store with multiple products means multiple income streams. The tools are simple, the overhead is low, and the upside is real. Package your knowledge or creativity into a digital format and let it work for you. This is one of the most accessible online businesses for 2025. If you have a skill or insight, turn it into a digital asset. Build once, sell endlessly. Your digital product could be your ticket to passive income. The world is hungry for shortcuts and solutions. Make something valuable and people will pay for it. Start small, iterate, and grow your digital empire. The digital product powerhouse is open to anyone. What will you create? The market is ready for your ideas. Fourth, the classic, content and affiliate marketing now supercharged. Build a YouTube channel, blog, TikTok, or Instagram focused on a specific niche. Create valuable, entertaining, or educational content and monetize by recommending products you trust. When someone buys through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Authenticity is key. People want real recommendations, not ads. Niche down, be the go-to expert for a specific topic. Coffee brewing, backpacking gear, smart home tech. The more specific, the easier to build a loyal audience. Your content is the engine. Help your audience answer questions, solve problems. Monetization follows naturally from trust and value. Example, a YouTube tech reviewer tests products, shares honest opinions, and links to them with affiliate codes. No need to create your own products or handle shipping, just create great content. Income streams are diverse. Amazon Associates, brand affiliate programs, software, online courses. A single blog post or video can earn for years as people find it through search. Building an audience takes time. Consistency and passion are essential. Every piece of content is an asset that compounds over time. Startup costs are minimal. A blog or YouTube channel can start with almost nothing. Your main investment is time and commitment to your niche. Build a brand around your expertise and personality. If you love a topic and enjoy creating, this model is for you. Turn your passion into a business by helping others make smart choices. Your content library works for you 24/7, earning income as it grows. The affiliate engine is more powerful than ever in 2025. Start creating, start earning. Your expertise can pay off big. Finally, let's talk about building an online coaching business or paid community. In a digital world, people crave real connection, guidance, and belonging. This model is about selling your expertise as an ongoing relationship, not a one-time product. You could be a fitness coach, business mentor, language tutor, or creative instructor. Live sessions, group calls, or private communities. The core is you, your knowledge, your experience, your ability to help others achieve results. It's high touch, high value, and you can charge premium prices for direct access and accountability. The tech is simple. Zoom for calls, School or Circle for communities, Stripe for payments. Set up your infrastructure in an afternoon. The real value is the transformation you deliver. For communities, charge a monthly fee for access to group quandas, exclusive content, and peer support. Members pay for you and for each other, a network of like-minded people. For coaching, offer packages with strategy calls and regular check-ins, perfect for fitness, career, or business growth. Your credibility is key. Use free content, YouTube, podcasts, blogs, to showcase your expertise and build trust. A small percentage of your audience will pay for personalized help. This model isn't infinitely scalable, but it's highly profitable. You don't need thousands of clients. A handful of high-paying ones can be enough. Scale by moving to group coaching, hiring other coaches, or creating tiered communities. If you love helping people succeed, this is the most fulfilling online business you can build. It's about impact, not automation. You create real transformation and a thriving community around your passion. In 2025, human connection is more valuable than ever. Coaching and community are the antidotes to digital isolation. Your expertise can change lives and build a business. Start small, deliver big results, and grow as demand increases. The tools are ready, the audience is waiting. If you're ready to lead, this is your moment. Build a business on trust, transformation, and connection. The world needs more real mentors. Will you be one of them? There you have it, 5 powerful online business models for 2025. AI Content Copilot, Micro SaaS, Digital Product Store, Content and Affiliate Engine, and Online Community. Each solves real problems and offers real opportunities. The best fit depends on your skills, passions, and what excites you. The tools are accessible, the audience is global. What will you build? The future of work is in your hands. Let me know in the comments. Which idea would you start? Got another? Share it. Subscribe for more future-ready ideas. Thanks for watching.